dead oriole in the New York Library building too, just a few minutes ago.
How did they?
It's sad. It's not breathing.
That's sad.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, I'm not gonna. I was gonna. You know what? Let's take a break for a second. I'm just gonna. Or you. I don't even know.
You touch the bird. I
Is it
can't
bad
touch you
to touch?
anymore because if it's got a disease, it could transfer.
I just want to try to bring it back.
This is so no. Look at that, Nero. Look at that. Poor bird. Look at the poor bird. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
It's okay.
Look at that. It's feeling better.
You're okay. Come back. Come on.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? What do you think, huh? Incredible. Did you think it was amazing? What did you think? Were you amazed? She's totally freaked out. I've never seen her this scared. It's not a sweetheart. Everything's okay. See how she's shaking?